So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss illustration number 12 and illustration number 13 from B.B.Dam book, that is unit number 1, partnership fundamentals. So here you see, when drawings of equal amounts are made during the middle of each quarter. Now in my last video I have explained you regarding quarters. There are 4 quarters in an accounting year, yes or no? So each quarter consists of 3 months. So here it is said that when drawings of equal amounts are made during the middle of each quarter. So if the accounting period starts from 1st of April, then the first drawings will be made on 15th of May. That is the middle of quarter number 1, that is from April till June, and the last drawings will be on 15th February. That is the last quarter, from starting from January till March. The middle is considered. So here average period will be calculated. The same formula, average period equals to time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings divided by 2. So what is the time left after first drawings? It is 10.5 starting from 15th of May. It's 10.5 till year ending. And time left after last drawings, it is 1.5 till year ending. That is on 15 February. So when average is taken out, it is 6 months. So you have to calculate interest on drawings of Mr. Pradeep Jain at the rate 12% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2021 if he withdrew rupees 6,000 in the middle of each quarter during the year 2020 to 21. So here total drawings equals to 6,000 into 4, that is 24,000. So here interest on drawings equals to 24,000 into 12 divided by 100 into what is the average period? 6 months. So 6 divided by 12. This was the formula. So if you cancel out, this will be the figure 1440. Hope you have understood illustration number 12. Now come to illustration number 13. So here, when drawings of equal amounts are made at the end of each quarter. So here average period equals to, again the same formula, time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings divided by 2. So first drawings is made on 30th June. If the accounting year starts from 1st of April, then June will be the last date of the first quarter. Yes or no? So 30th June, the first drawings is made. So from June till year ending, it is 9 months, and the last drawings will be made on 31st of March. So it is 0 months. So when you take out the average, you will get 4.5 months or 4.5 months. So here the question is given, calculate the interest on drawings of Mr. Pradeep Jain at the rate 12% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2021 if he withdrew rupees 6,000 in the end of each quarter during the year 2020 to 21. So here total drawings equals to 6,000 is the amount of drawings for each quarter. So 6,000 into 4, it is 24,000. There are 4 quarters. Therefore interest on drawings equals to 24,000 into 12 divided by 100. 12% is the rate of interest into 4.5 is the average period divided by 12. So if you cancel out, you will get 1080 as the interest on drawings. Okay, so hope you have understood these two sums, okay, on interest on drawings, okay, made at different time periods, okay, during each quarter. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.